To continue with the discussion, let us recall the definition of conjugate acid and base. That a conjugate acid is formed when an acid donates a proton to a base. So, this acid, when it donates a proton to a base, it forms the conjugate acid. And the conjugate base is what is left over when the substance donates or loses a hydrogen ion. So this stronger acid donates a proton to a stronger base to form the conjugate acid, and what is left behind is the conjugate base. Another way to predict acid-base reactivity is to remember that the product conjugate acid in an acid-base reaction must be a weaker and less reactive than the starting acid, and that the product conjugate base must be a weaker and less reactive than the starting base.